Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to
Good
welcome
afternoon.
you in the third virtual class of readings for expanding horizon uh, of Rashtriya Janaswara College, Tarara. So today we are going to deal with the new text, Death Valley. It is by Edward Abbey. So the text that we discussed yesterday and others number of text will be dealing with the travel and adventure. Travel and adventure means, you understand the joy of traveling, the joy of adventurous journey can be found there very beautifully described in the text. If you have read the text, then I hope you understand. And you read after your class or before you come to the class, keep on reading the text once so you understand. So the whole text of the course of our course, readings for expanding horizon, is based on the literature based course, reading and critical thinking. Okay, you read the text and you develop your mind, you develop your creativity, and also you develop a kind of a writing style after reading. Death Valley, the name itself is very thrilling, and Death Valley is taken from motives for writing. The name of the book written by Edward Abbey, that was written. I mean, Abbey was born in 1927 and he died in 1989, and he was an American writer and essayist noted for advocating environmental issue. Environmental issue means, you understand, no? The environment related issues,
Yes, sir.
all the issues related with the ecology and environment. Okay, in Nepal it is called Paryavaran, Vatavaraniya writing, and the issues, how environment is being deteriorated, how it is depleted, or how it is being destroyed or damaged and being so bad for human beings, that has been discussed over here. And Death Valley is a part of Mazov Desert, desert, name of the desert in California of the US, United States. This is, Death Valley is situated there, where? In California, in USA. Okay, you just there is a Death Valley. If you explore in internet or Google or YouTube, you can find a lot of things in YouTube about Death Valley. So Death Valley, it's there in desert area, and the writer has described it as a hard place to love as there is too much heat. Death Valley is very, very hot place. Okay, since it is the desert, it's very difficult to survive there, to go there, to travel there. It is not a suitable place for human beings. But sometimes people, they go there, they visit there for adventures, for for entertainment, for exploring the environment. Okay, so the writer has described it as a hard place, very, very hard place to love, as there is too much heat and it is below sea level. Okay, it is below sea level means, you just imagine how hot it is, how difficult it is in the southwest of United States of America. So around the June of the June of the valley, there are scattered creosote shrubs. Creosote shrubs. There are the scattered creosote shrubs. You can just
Yes.
underline this, creosote shrubs, and you can find there in the dictionary the meaning. The creosote secrete poison, killing any other plant to preserve moisture and open space for itself. So because of this creosote, other types of plants are not existing, or they cannot be found there in the desert valley, in the Death Valley. Okay, so Death Valley is an essay. So the text that you are going to deal with is essay written in a journal style. Journal style means, you know, journal writing. Do you have any idea of journal writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
day
sir.
wise, every day you just keep the record of the adventures. For example, if you visit somewhere else, maybe the Kathmandu or maybe mountain areas, then what you did first day and what you did in the second day, on the second day and third day, like this way you keep the record, and that record becomes the journal writing. Okay, the whole activities that you write, that's what we call journal writing, and it is written in the style of journal. So Death Valley is considered one of the most, you know, inhospitable place. Inhospitable means hospitality. Hospitality means welcoming.
Yes.
Welcoming means, you know, pleasing, conducive, good environment. But inhospitable means that does not favor for the people, that does not support the people. Okay, that's what we call inhospitable place in earth. So Abi describes his journey through the desert and rocky mountain from Nevada to Las Vegas. Las Vegas is the name of the place in California. This is a very, very famous place for entertainment. Many people from, you know, around the world, they go to the Las Vegas because it is like, you know, Thamel in Kathmandu. It is touristic area. People, they will be very much free in Las Vegas. They can play, they can, you know, enjoy, they can dance. So free place for entertainment from, you know, Nevada to Las Vegas. It is discussed there. And Abi describes Death Valley as almost barren. Barren means nothing is found there. Barren means, you know, barren without having
Yes, sir.
fertility, without having fertility. That's what we call barren. Hot, yeah, lifeless wasteland. Lifeless, no life there, no people there. Okay, in his view, such place never appeal any travelers. Okay, you know, in his view means in Abi's view, people, they do not go there because it is a really unfavorable place. So people, they are scared of visiting there. Okay, and when the writer drove to the gas station is called, you know, petrol pump. In Nepal it is called petrol pump, but there people say gas
Yes.
station. Okay, and then he found that human being can endure, can bear. Endure means can bear, can endure its summer only by constructing artificial environment. They prepare, they create artificial environment there, and then they live. Okay, they endure, they bear the environment there. So people's life is compared to that of any animal because they have to escape heat. So hot place, that's why they need to escape, go away. And Indians of Death Valley are nomadic. Nomadic means the people who travel without any purpose. And I know they travel and they stay there, they eat, and again they leave that place and they go to the next place, like this way. That's what we call, you know, nomadic people. Nomadic people means in Nepali it is called घुमन्ते फिरन्ते मान्छे. घुम्दै फिर्दै उनीहरूको चाहिँ
Without.
टुङ्गै हुँदैन. Okay, one time they come here, stay here, and then next time, no, they do not have their permanent house, permanent, you know, settlement. So this type of people, they live there. When the climate is favorable, they go and they there. So Fernand's Creek is the very lowest range of mud, salt, gravel, and sand there. So, you know, this Fernand's Creek is described in the essay by Abi. The temperature reaches 56.7, okay, degree centigrade. Degree centigrade. Look at how hot it is. So how much, you know, what's the temperature of Itari now? You know,
कति
20 to 25, like that.
maybe thought
30 or maybe 30. Okay,
yes
it's
sir.
okay. 30 is normal, you know. But this one 56.7 degrees centigrade is really hot. Okay, people they can't survive there. So there is no plant in its floor because of hot. So we find some varieties of cactus 1,000 feet above sea level. Cactus, which is mostly found in desert, can be found in about 1,000 feet above the sea level. So its lower level is 86 meter below the sea level. Look at here, below the sea level. सामुद्रिक सतह भन्दा पनि तल 86 मिटर तल त्यसको उचाइ हेर्नुस् न. So one may feel danger in its arid temperature. It's an abnormal temperature. So it is a gravel gloss. Gravel gloss. So very difficult. So Panamint Valley is another place. It's to the west of Death Valley, where people go to escape heat. People they go to the Panamint Valley to escape the heat. Along the trail of the Telescope Peak, the name of the peak that is described in the essay by the writer, by the author, by Abby. That's what we know. The place people go for escaping the heat. Okay? And along the trail of Telescope Peak, we can see thin strands of limber pine. Limber pine means tingring pareko sallako रुख हुन्छ नि डाँडै डाँडा उम्रेको. It's like that. Okay, pine, limber pine, considered of ancient time, long ago. Though those are trees were considered to be the very old. That would look like that. So Sierra Nevada range. Sierra Nevada range blocks the sea wind. Block means that stops. That range, Nevada range means they're like a hill, muddy hill, blocks the sea wind and moisture to make it arid all the time. That keeps little bit easy to live. That helps to make this. So from the summit of Telescope Peak को टपबाट डाँडाबाट टुप्पोबाट भनेको, the writer could see beautiful mountain above Death Valley. That beauty is described in the essay. You can find that. And the only city near Death Valley is Las Vegas, name of the city.
Las Vegas.
So to the east of Chemical Desert, to the east side of that Chemical Desert, there is Funeral Mountain. Name of the mountain, see, Funeral. Funeral means, what do you mean by funeral? Can you tell me? Yeah, you are right. Funeral Mountain, and within it is the Echo Canyon. Echo Canyon is the name. Again, the writer has mentioned in the essay. If you read, you can find this. Okay, and in the past, many people came here in search of ore. They went there for searching the ore. Okay. And they later abandoned the idea due to the cost of transportation, because it was really difficult to travel there to find ore. And it is famous for its series of overlapping echoes. So there, let's say, the living beings are seen like dead, but they are actually in dormant state. Not very congested,ly very difficultly, they are surviving, they are living there. So in Death Valley, all living things, plants, animals, and humans live in the mercy of extreme weather, very extreme weather, climate, rainfall, heat, and wind topography. They struggle with the nature and they live. Okay, they live their very hard life in that place. So Edward Abbey, you can just see there, Edward Abbey was a professional writer. He was a professional writer, means he was not only the traveler, He was a writer also, and writing it's very very powerful about the travel, and who wrote about the American West also. American West. So it is all about his travel memoir. Memoir means the description of the traveling or journey. That's what we call memoir. Memoir means something we create on the experience of the past. That's what we call memoir. Okay, so who was asking something question already before? Any question? Can you ask?
Yes, sir.
Who was asking what? Please, can you repeat?
So O means O-R-E means
Okay, ore. It's called ore. Ore is a kind of chemical. Okay, chemical. Let's say let's no, sorry. Let's not say chemical. It is a kind of mineral, naturally found, naturally occurring mineral that contains valuable constituent for for which it is many people they go to find it. Okay, so it is very very useful, very valuable mineral that can be used for human being, valuable matter that can be extracted from ore. It's a mineral. Okay, खानीबाट ल्याउने चाहिँ एउटा तत्त्व त्यहाँ पाउँछ नि ओर भन्ने खोज्नु होला डिक्सनरीमा. Okay, let's go to the next. Yes, so this is all from my side.
gravel.
Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Please.
Gravel means
Sorry?
gravel. G-R-A-V-E-L.
Gravel road.
G-R-A-V-E-l. Gravel.
My road is gravel भन्छ नि.
Oh, sorry.
Gravel भनेको not even, नमिलेको, कष्टकर, rough, हैन? के भन्छ त्यसलाई, अब कसरी बुझाउनु तपाईलाई भने? ग्राभलहरु ल्याएर त सरफेस चाहिँ के भन्छ? सरफेस चाहिँ ढाकिएको नमिलेको के पिच नभएको. त्यो ढुङ्गाको चाहिँ ढुङ्गो हुन्छ नि, ढुङ्गो नमिलेको ढुङ्गो हुन्छ नि, के भन्छ त्यसलाई? लुज राउन्डेड फ्र्यागमेन्ट्स अफ रक भनौँ न यसलाई. रकको चाहिँ त्यो सरफेस चाहिँ ग्राभल त बुझिहाल्नुहुन्छ नि, तर ग्राभल रोड छ पिच भएको छैन भन्छ नि, त्यही हो. Any question? So I think we have to stop now. If you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, अनि त्यो हजुरसँग अहिले बुक छ? Yeah.
I don't have book today. I should find. So okay, you can raise the question. I will see later. What did you find there?
Okay, sir.
What is your question, Sudha? Any question? No question.
No, sir.
No question. So we have still time. Maybe 5-7 minutes time. If you have anything to discuss, you can discuss.
Sir.
Otherwise, I will stop my sharing and then we can talk. Okay, please. Yeah, come on. I will stop my recording as well so that it becomes small and then we can talk off the record, right?
Okay, sir.